Alrighty, hello. We are finally here to do Canva scheduling. I know I was supposed to do this on Friday, but life happened. Hey, I got 4 out of 5 done, so I will take that. Alright, I'm already logged in as per usual. We are going to go to the left side and come down to Content Planner. Now on here, you can schedule out to 3 weeks. It was 4. I don't know what happened to the 4th week, but maybe this week needs to disappear. So let's go into the 21st, and you're gonna, well, you don't have to do the 21st. You can pick whatever date is available to schedule on. Let's just do the 21st. Hit the plus sign. You can create a design or choose a design. So we're gonna choose a design because on Canva planning, you can only schedule the content that you've created on here. So we're going to pick this here. Destination, I've got these 3 social platforms linked, but if you click schedule 2, you can get access to Facebook groups, LinkedIn profile and page, Slack, and Tumblr. So I want to schedule this as a tweet. Stay branded at all times. And then the date, we've already selected the date, so you're really just coming here to change the time. And this is completely flexible, so you could do like 3:23 p.m. if you wanted to, and then just schedule a post. And that's literally how easy it is. The only thing with Canva planning is once this is scheduled, you can't schedule it again. So if I come here, choose design, I'm not going to be able to choose this. If I come here and I want to schedule it again, I can't choose it. What you have to do is duplicate the design, and you can come in here and click make a copy or make a copy and resize. We are just going to make a copy, and even if you're here, you can always resize right here. So now the copy is made, and we'll see it right here. And these are just other copies I made. So now you can schedule multiple platforms on the same day, but not the same image. That's why you would need that copy. And I feel like they do that because you technically should be resizing for each platform. So you would already have the different graphics so that you wouldn't need to use the same one again. You would already just have like the 3 different ones because you have Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. Well, I would because that's what I'm logged into. So now we are going to, you can edit the design if you want to as well from here. So if you click on that, it'll open up the editor. So this is a copy, and we're going to send that to Facebook. Facebook copy for Canva Planner. Same thing, date and time. Schedule post. Painfully slow. Okay, now there it is, Twitter and Facebook. Now let's say we want to use just a completely different graphic. Let's do this one because it's got multiple designs in it. Like there's all these different ones. These are my thumbnails. So you choose your destination. Let's just make it Pinterest. So with Pinterest, you can only select the one page. But if we were to go into Facebook or even Twitter, you can select different pages. So let's go into Facebook. And on Facebook, since they don't have a limitation, we can click either on all, so to post 1 through 9 pages, or we can select the ones we want. We just want the first one. And since we're only doing the first one, let's just go through and do Pinterest scheduling. So this is where you would put your title. This is your description. And here you can put a website link. So each platform has its own little limitations. Like on Twitter, you can only post, I think, 4 pictures. So you would only get the option to pick 4 different ones. That's why that all option wasn't there. It was just page 1, 2, 3, 4. On here, you can only choose 1 image. So you don't have the little check boxes here. And we'll leave it the date and time, schedule post. And there you have it right there. And to delete and make edits, you're literally just going to click on the design, come here. So if you need to change the date and time, you can edit the design, make copies, or delete the post. And since I don't want these to actually go out into the world, we're just gonna delete the post. And that's literally how simple it is to post with Canva. I know it's not completely free because you have to pay for Canva Pro, but if you're already paying for Canva Pro, this is a great option that's included without having to pay a totally third-party platform that is dedicated to just planning and isn't going to give you the features that you want and need. So I personally don't use Canva planning because I prefer, it's just personal preference, to go on each individual platform like I had been all last week to plan each piece of content across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, because those are the 4 that I use. Oh, and YouTube. 4 or 5. Yeah. So that's it. I hope this series was helpful to you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with somebody, the whole series, with anybody that could benefit from scheduling or needs to find new platforms to schedule, because they're already built into the platforms we already use. So yeah, see you guys next time for more advice, tips, tricks. I don't know what it'll be, but thanks for tuning in. Bye.